Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Alif Yusof, and today I'm very excited to share with you an innovative project that sets to transform the way we manage academic publications at our university. Let's dive into the world of ePMS, the e-publication management system. So this project was born out of several critical challenges that faced by R&I, Research and Innovation Department, in their current academic publication management. First, they have to manually collect publication records from various sources such as Google Scholar, Scopus, Web of Science, and so on. This process required a lot of manual effort and can compromise the reliability of the information. Then they have to deal with outdated publications metadata, which can affect the accurate representation of university scholarly output when auditing reports. Plus, they also struggle to generate audit reports where they have to deal with a large volume of publications along with their individual metadata, including titles, publisher rankings, meta status. Introducing the e-publication management system, ePMS, a transformative solution to the intricate challenges. So, what is ePMS all about? Imagine having a tool that can automatically fetch publication records from Google Scholar and store them seamlessly into our database. No more manual data entry, just a single click to keep everything up to date. Administrators also can manually update records, including titles, ranking, Myra status, and other metadata for adaptability to the dynamic academic landscape. And of course, the system also provides a robust reporting and analysis modules. So what makes EPMS stand out? First up, we got an automated data extraction, a game changer for reducing manual effort. At the click of a button, the system can update the database to keep the information fresh. But for those times when personal touch is needed, administrator can jump in for manual updates. ePMS also equipped with a robust reporting and analysis modules for comprehensive audit reports. It also acts as a centralized publications hub for all university members with an advanced search and filtering capabilities. Now you might be wondering how the system works. So there are four types of users, which is administrator, data analyst, lecturer, and public user. These users will interact with the system to the system front end, where it is responsible for displaying content, receiving user inputs, and providing an interactive interface for users to interact with the system functionality. Then the front end will interact with the back end through the system APIs for retrieve and update data, perform business logic, and process user requests. In the system APIs, beside other basic CRUD function, there's also a function called data extraction that was used to extract data from Google Scholar using a technique called web scraper. All the data that has been extracted will be stored into the system database. As for the database, MySQL was used for storing, retrieving, and managing structured data. Now, let's proceed with the system demonstration. Okay, in this demonstration, I'm only going to focus on the key features of ePMS. We start off with the main key features of the system, which is automated data extraction. First, we log in into the system as administrator. As you can see here, currently there are no publications data in the database. So now we're going to click the update database button and the system will start extracting data from Google Scholar using data extraction function in the API. The API will extract all authors along with their publications that have any affiliation with our university. The API not only extract new data, but it also updates the current data that's stored in the database. This process will take some time depending on the number of authors and publications. Also depends on the hardware and internet connections. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm only going to extract these 10 authors along with their publications. Now the system has notified us that extraction has been complete and we managed to extract 10 authors and 267 publications from Google Scholar. And as we can see here, the number of authors and publication has changed. Now we go to verify publications tab. Here you can see all the publications that we have extracted earlier. So every publications that has been extracted needs to be verified first before its data can be of use. This verification process can only be done by the owner of the publications or the administrator. Now I'm going to go to the first author on the Google Scholar and select one of his publications, copy its title, and paste it into the search box. And there we have it. Now we verify the publications. And I'm also gonna verify a few other publications. Then we go to publications tab and we can see all the publication that we have verified earlier. As administrator, we also can manually update and delete publication records. For example, when we click the edit button, the system will display all metadata about these particular publications. So if we edit one of the metadata and save it, we can extract back the original data from Google Scholar using this load from Scholar button. So now we're gonna jump real quick to lecturer sign up page to create a lecturer account. We fill in the details, then we click the choose author button. So this table shows all the authors that we have extracted earlier. Now we need to choose which author that will be linked with our account. Now we finish the registration and we jump back to administrator to verify the account that we have created earlier. Then we go to authors tab and here you can see all the authors with their linked lecturer account. And here you can see the lecturer account that we created earlier. And same for publications. We also can update the metadata here manually or extract it from Google Scholar. Now we move on to data analysis. First, we log in into the system using email and password. At the dashboard, we go to publication tabs, then all publications tab, and the system will display all the verified publications. Here we can click the Myra button to change the Myra status for that publications, or we click on the publications title and the system will display the publications metadata. And as a data analyst, we can only update the publication date or the Myra status. Now we go to data analyst tab. Here we can filter the publications based on year, quarter, section, and Myra status. For example, if we insert the year from the that publications earlier and hit apply, the system will display the filtered publications. So from here, we can export these publications to an Excel file for an audit report. Okay, now we're gonna log in for the lecturer account that we have created earlier. The only task for the lecturer in this publication management process is to verify their publications. Other than that, lecturers also can edit their profile, change passwords, search for publications, and lodge a complaints. As for public users, ePMS also act as a publication repository for them to explore. Same as functionality as Google Scholar, they can use the search function to search for publications and view publication details. And I think that's all for the system demonstration. So what's next for ePMS? We are planning to integrate with more sources such as Scopus, Schemago, Web of Science, and other publication database. We're also planning to integrate with artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning technologies into our system. And I think that's all for me. Thank you very much for your attention.